In this video, we are going to see how we can determine the word count in Google Docs. So let's say that you want to count the number of pages as well as the word count, the characters, and so on. What you can do is just click on Tools menu, and we want to select the word count. Alternatively, we can also use the quick short key, that is Control Shift and C. Let me just try this as well. You don't have to open the menu. You just hold the Control Shift and press C. Here it shows you how many pages are there in this current document, how many words are there, how many characters are there, and how many characters are there including the spaces. So if you want to display word count while typing as well, let's say that you are working on any thesis and so on, and it has some specific requirements, you can display it on the go. As soon as you start writing, it will show you the increase in words in real time. You can also switch it to characters and so on. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.